is half of the closing par at 4 p.m.
Boy, it sure did react to that, didn't it?
Mm-hmm. Come on, one more thrust down. Come on, you can do it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, let's see if we can buy around 546, 47. Come on, you're almost there. I'm looking to stack my orders at 446.75, 43, right, and 335. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in. Oh, I forgot to turn on my trade copier.
Yeah.
It's a perfect entry, man. Forgot to turn on my trade copier.
I have done that, unfortunately.
crazy. Well, since this is only sim because it didn't copy, I'll just get out. Not to screw up the trade copier.
Order failed.
All right.
Again, John, when you threw out those 446, 443, 335 levels, what were you
Looking
talking
to the left.
Hmm?
Looking to the left.
about?
Looking to the left.
Okay.
Yeah, looking back at August 11th.
Okay. Take a look.
Order submitted.
See, this becomes a kiss down. Right, George?
That would be lovely.
Order failed.
What was second or third thrust down?
I don't think we're ready to go back up yet. If it's ready to go back up, then around 554, 551 should hold. It's half of that sell.
Order failed.
There we go. It was 544 back up to red.
All right, we want to see 561, 554, 551 hold.
Yeah.
This is going to go back up, right?
Yeah, same thing. 551, 552.
Yeah.
If that holds at this point, then it should be over with the downside. That was a nice test back up, basically to rubber band that we gave this morning, folks. We went down to the lower low levels, and we came back and basically tagged rubber band. Yeah, to John's point, now it's a matter of this 551, 552 area. Does that sustain? And if it does, then the downside's over with. If it does not,
Oh yeah, if that doesn't.
well, I'm looking.
Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah, I could get.
Oh, that
I
gets
get back
ugly
into
now.
the 300s, maybe a bit.
Yeah, 363-ish, somewhere around there.
Yeah, like 340. Yeah. So wonderful. I mean, if you wanted to move or do the CG all the way to CR, that happened really quick. real quick. I didn't realize on the trade copier, on the account type, that you could just click on it and change it from mini to micro. I
Yeah.
didn't realize that until this morning. I'm sitting there going, why are we going up in like 50-cent increments? What's going on? Something's wrong. Like, oh, okay.
I
Yeah,
didn't
so it
really
hurts matter watching this bonus money at that 560 or what is that number? 582. At the 582, that'd be the first sign of it crawling back up above, and then of course you got red just above that at 586, 588. So
I went long at 69.75. Test the water.
Order submitted.
Atta girl.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order
well, I
filled.
guess that answers that question.
Or that complete half of that retracement that I was talking about. So all right, now go up.
There's an interesting wick down into the 20s. It's kind of middle of nowhere.
Come on, get above 569. And then we're looking good. Atta girl, come on. You're there. She should be able to get above 69.75 once holding her back. Come on. You can do it. Alright, I'm going to move my trailing stop up. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Jeez. Come on. Good girl, good girl.
Order filled.
All right, so looks like sellers are leaving. If you're in this long, take off some profit about 614 because it'll come back and test. That's what we were waiting for, George.
A little bit. That thing kind of dipped a little further than I was expecting. Plus, to stop at like 523 was somewhat random. Not, I hadn't found why it did that. I'm sure if you have.
All right, bottom 830 bar is half of that sell-off, that initial sell-off. We should come back and test around 604 if it's going to be a healthy move up.
Order filled.
All right. Maybe not. We're right there at the opening price. Let's see if we can close above the bottom of the range. I got my stop at the bottom of the European Open now. I'm taking it all off at the table at the top of the 930 bar. Come on, you can do it. Stops at halfway between the European price now. This might be the test to come back. I'm all right if it takes me out then. It's not unusual for the first test at the bottom of the 930 bar.
Order submitted.
POC is coming up. All right, my stop is now at the bottom of the 930 bar. Nope, just took me out. All right, I'm out of the trade altogether. Not bad, man. From scaled in at 543, scaled in again at 532, and I did a market buy at about 5. Let me see where the arrows are. 526, all the way back up to the POC.
Nice.
Well,
Oh, good trade.
Well, it stopped me out in the middle between the opening range and the POC. Expected to come back and test. I knew it would. I should have moved my stop down a little, but hey, stick to the plan, right?
Yeah, you sleep better at night.
Now watch, it'll go to the top of the 930, the opening price now. Did exactly what we thought it would do, George. Yeah, minus some, extra thrust, but for the most part.
Yeah, it doesn't affect anything that it was kind of working on for the last few days. So
Yeah.
Didn't break anything.
I'd get in again if it pulls back to about maybe 60, 610.
Yeah, confirm lower midpoint.
Mm-hmm. It's rather moving pretty slow, right? Well, it's not like it was a holiday, right? It's almost there at my target, man. It's crazy.
CG to CR, CR back to CG.
Yep. I just didn't want to take that short. I knew it was going to go back and retrace, but I was like, the selling wasn't coming fast enough. So I figured we'd wait for the bottom end.
And it still keeps our 808 or 806, whatever it was.
Yeah.
Keeps that alive.
Bigger time frame, man. That's just one wick candle down, man. It's crazy.
I'm super stoked to say that I managed to scale into that as well.
Oh, nice, James.
And I still got 2 on.
Yeah, it should get to
Yeah.
there. That was my target right here.
The POC or right here?
Right here at
About
64.
64, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trailing up behind manually right now.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice trade there, James.
Yeah, this, one of the things I'd really love to be able to do is use the Autotrader, but then make decisions about adjust. Like I'm still having trouble adjusting my trailing once I'm in a trade that's managed by the Autotrader.
I mean, the best way is to do it by the volatility, right?
Okay, you like
Yeah.
the volatility stop?
Yeah, and just set some offsets to it, so you give it enough wiggle room, but you're also trailing at a reasonable rate.
And can I do that? Can I do that with multiple contracts individually with different offsets using vol stop?
Well, they follow the targets, right? So if you're not entering all at once and you're scaling in, like target 1, target 2, I mean, entry 1, 2, 3.
Right.
Yeah, so you could.
Well, I haven't figured out how to scale in either with the trader. I'm just trading manually because I haven't figured out how to scale in.
Yeah,
it's like all or nothing.
Yeah, I scale in with the buy add button.
Oh, buy add. Okay.
Yeah,
all
that's
right.
how I scale
Let me
in.
try it. I'll try it next time. I don't have a buy add button.
Oh, then you're not running the latest version. Reach out to Bob.
Okay. Let me make sure about that.
All right, this is a pullback. We should pull back the test. Oh, it's that midpoint to midpoint, the bread and butter trade, right? So if you guys waited, you would have gotten in at 19, got out at about 76. Yeah, I'm going to stop the recording. Say